Greetings from Spiaggia del Riso, another beach on the island of Sardinia in the Villasimius area. It is 22nd of October 2025, currently 4:37 p.m. and I have actually passed 3 other beaches on the way here, but I wouldn't have time to visit them all as I have 2 left along the coast, which is Spiaggia di Campolongo and then Campus. The 3 beaches that I have passed by that I didn't visit were Santo Stefano, Cala Caterina and Spiaggia di Fortezza. Spiaggia di Fortezza was actually nice, and but this one is next to a port, and yeah, it is not the best possible weather today, but thanks to the wind, there are some people that will be kite surfing and windsurfing here, and I really think that these rocks are interesting that are in the middle of the beach. But the beach is not so sandy, white sandy. Well, it's white sand, but it's a bit wet sand. And you can see the marina over there, the boats, and one windsurfer that is now currently in the water. Yes, another beach today as I'm exploring here the beaches in the Villasimius. I took the bus 101 from Cagliari to Villasimius this morning at 8:15, and after 1.5 hours I arrived, and it was so nice on the first 3 beaches. So check out those episodes to see the real color of the water. But it is also cloudy sometimes like now, so I will be getting the bus back to Cagliari at 7:05, so I have now 2.5 hours left to explore. Spiaggia del Riso had only 4.3 score on Google, so maybe not the most popular for a swim, as I have obviously seen better beaches than this. Okay, now let's have a quick swim here at Spiaggia del Riso and enjoy a nice swim in the sea. Well, the water should be 24 degrees, but it feels a bit colder than that, maybe because of the wind that is blowing. But at least is nice view over the mountains of Sardinia. And I must admit there is a bit of a strange smell from the port, but the water seems clean. And yeah, the wind has come here in Sardinia and the clouds with it, but I really hope that there will be some sun later, as some parts of the sky is cloud free. Okay. There is one windsurfer over there. And now it's time for Chris to take a swim in the sea. Now, I'm not really sure if this is the Mediterranean or the Tyrrhenian Sea, but still, it's time for a swim anyway. So, ready, set, and go! Another beach explored and another beach adventure with Chris from Sardinia. Alright, now it's time for me to take a longer swim and enjoy. So thank you so much for watching this episode of me from Spiaggia del Riso in Villasimius, Sardinia, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures.